I'm at the 4050 Lake Otis Medical Plaza in Anchorage, Alaska, and this combined heat and power system has two of the Capstone C65 ICHP machines. ICHP meaning integrated combined heat and power. This particular array produces 130 kilowatts of electrical power and almost 900,000 BTUs per hour of hot water. The hot water produced by these two turbines flows into the building into an isolated loop and their own heat exchanger. That heat exchanger is set up as the primary boiler in this building. This combined heat and power system in the wintertime, when we're using all of the heat and all of the electricity, runs between 85 and 90% efficient. This design is what we call dual mode. What that means is that we can parallel with the grid, but in the event of a grid failure, we can take the entire load of the building into this array. When the grid returns and is stable for 5 minutes, we reconnect to the grid. This particular installation, however, has been operating completely off the grid for about a year.